today, guys?
We're going to the Hoover Dam.
We're gonna go on an adventure,
Yeah.
and we gotta take our cousin's thing that she made for school
to
historical places here in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to the Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
Woo! Down there, look to your left, you'll see it. Look, see, that's the big bridge that you go over. Oh my gosh. See how high that is? Oh my gosh, it's giving me anxiety. Wow. See the people up there?
How do you build that?
I know, they worked on that for a while.
Wait, how do you build that bridge?
Right?
Is that the Hoover Dam?
No, that's the bridge that we go over to go to like
My drive.
Great Wolf Lodge. Look how big that is. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna go park and we're gonna go walk out on the dam.
We are now at the Hoover Dam. We're gonna have so much fun. Just look at the view.
It's so cool looking up here. What do you think?
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad, I thought that was like a red.
I thought it was a tarantula hawk.
Me too.
All
I'm scared.
right.
Number one.
Yeah.
That'd be good content.
No, it'd be terrible if we got stuck in an elevator. All right.
If I ever get lost, I'll try to find my way back here and go to level 5 and then go by the pole.
Okay.
You on the Hoover Dam?
Yes.
We're right on it right now.
Whoa.
We're on the Hoover Dam right now.
We're on the Hoover Dam right now.
I can't see anything.
Okay.
Bubba?
Hang on, we're gonna go in the middle of it.
Mommy, east and down.
Wow.
Dude. I'm out there doing fish. My fish is coming.
For real? This is cool?
That huge lion-winged animal?
No, like beyond that.
That's eerie.
Whoa, figure out what it is. We see something creepy over there. See if I can zoom in. What is that? Can you see anything on your binoculars? You guys want to see something scary?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's terrifying.
This is scary. Look it up here. Ah, look, Emery doesn't even want to look.
No, I don't want to look.
No look.
Oh
Woo.
my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Taking a lunch break on the Hoover Dam. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what are we doing now?
We are now out of the Hoover Dam, and we're in Boulder City now. We're gonna go look for a bunch of places to go in.
Yeah, we found one place. It's got candy and fudge. It's called Grandma Daisy's. Ooh, look, they got a Zoltar machine.
Should we do that?
Let's go see. Do you see something else, Tegan? You just pretend, I guess. You don't have any quarters. How's your ice cream?
Good.
What'd you get? Now we are off to an art class in Boulder City. There's this really cool toy shop that sells wooden art and all sorts of different toys. They have this really cool little art class in the back, and you can paint all sorts of little wooden crafts that they have. Hold brother's hand. Oh, this is so cute.
No, right? Like we're in a cave.
Oh, I knew it was gonna. So since it's almost Easter time, we got to paint and assemble this really cute bunny they had cut out of wood.
Had so much fun at Hoover Dam in Boulder City. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Bye!